Hello guys and welcome to this video with the instructions for the Mini Speaking Project 2021B in our course English 5. This video will be divided into three main parts. Number one, I will talk about how to record a video using the app Voicethread in our course in Sikua. Number two, I'll give you the first part of the instructions for the Mini Speaking Project. And number three, I'll give you the second part of the instructions for this project. Remember that there will be another video with a mini example on how to do your mini speaking project. By the way, you can also start working on this project today and finish it tomorrow during the asynchronous session in Sikua, okay? Tomorrow we will not meet. I will be logged in, but I will not talk to you because I'm grading your exams and other exams, okay? So you will be working on your own responsibly, and you will have to post the video in the platform that in the app that I'm about to show you before the session is over. Let's get started. Number one, how to record a video with Voicethread in Sikua. Please apologize me if there is any environment noise that is not my voice. You please concentrate on the steps that I'm telling you here. It's been way too difficult to record this video. There's a lot of noise here in my neighborhood. All right, so when we are in Sikua, in our course in Sikua, you will have to look for content by week, the option content by week. You click on content by week. You will look for the weeks 2 and 3. I'm sorry, weeks 3 and 4. Just a moment, please. Weeks 3 and 4, health and nutrition. You'll click there. You will scroll down until you find the hyperlink mini speaking project at the very bottom of the page, as you see here. Once you click there, you have to be patient and wait for some seconds because it takes more than 10 seconds for the Voicethread upload to for the Voicethread app to be uploaded. As you can see here, it all depends on your internet connection. And on how much information the Voicethread has. So as you can see, this has already been uploaded. And now I'm going to start explaining to you how to use these options to record, and then how to go back to the course. All right, so when you click on the mouse, on the plus symbol here, you'll see that you have 4 options. Number one, it's an option for you to write down a text. Then you click on guardar, and you have to wait for some minutes because it will appear here. So this is the example that I did here, but this one is the one that I did before recording this video. What can you do later? You can edit it again, or you can eliminate it, zoom it in, zoom it out. Okay, zoom it out. That's number one. Now let me just eliminate this one from here. So then here you'll have the option of recording a voice comment. Hi guys, this is an example of a voice comment in Voicethread. As you can see, you have the button stop or detener grabación in Spanish. Don't click on this pencil, it's not necessary. Don't click on any of these arrows or here, it's not necessary. You just click here, concentrate on here, and on the left side you have the countdown. So you know that the maximum time for this is 2 minutes and that you have already spent 24 or 25 seconds. Then you click on stop, you wait for some seconds. You can pause it here. You can extend the speed here, like if you want to listen to your voice faster. Listen. Or if you want to listen to it in a lower speed. You pause here and then you can go back to normal, okay? Don't you ever click in this option grabar más, because then you will have to do everything from zero. If you are satisfied with the audio or happy, you click on guardar, you wait for some seconds, look, it's loading, and then depends on the internet connection, okay? You will be able to listen to it. Take a look. You can pause it here, and again you can accelerate it. Let's put it into 2 times the You can pause it again, and then you come down, or you can put it like very, very slow. A little bit boring, right? So then you put it back to normal. And here is your audio recording, all right? Now, how about this option here? This option is for you to upload and attach videos or audio basically, or slides. So you click here and then you will select the video or the audio. Remember that the extension has to be compatible, MP3 or MP4 or WMN. I mean, nowadays systems have the extension by default, but just make sure that you're working with an appropriate recording system or device. And then you click on abrir or open, and that will be it. Now, the option that it's most important for us for this project comes here, which is record a comment or record your voices. I cannot do it right now because I'm recording this video with a different app, but I already recorded the video for you to have an example. What is going to happen? Similar to the audio comment, remember? So the system will open and it will start a countdown like 3, 2, 1, go. So that you can start recording, then you can pause, start from 0 again. And once you are satisfied or happy with your content and you have done everything according to the instructions that I'm about to talk to you about, just click on guardar and wait for some seconds because it is going to do again the same like chiqui process. You have to wait, okay? You have to wait because when it is a video, as it has a lot of images and sound, it takes a lot of time, okay? So that's why I'm telling you that you can start working on the project today, like chiqui, okay? This is my example. You can do the same process. You can then have this fan here. Or you can put it back to 75 and then you can come back here so that you can play from the beginning. Or then you can change it. And then you put it back to normal. So this is what happens when you record when you do it several times. You will have the icon with your photo or with the initials of your name listed here on the left, okay, on the left screen. So that's basically it. And then I'm going to erase all of the options that are not necessary anymore because we have already practiced with them, okay? I can erase it here and I'm going to erase this here. So this is for how to record the video. I think this is pretty much clear. Now, let me go to the instructions for the mini speaking project. I will also post these instructions in Sikua. Don't worry, okay? I will also post them there in weeks 3-4, and I will attach them to your to the email that I'm about to send. So let's go over quickly here. Now, the instructions for this, okay? So you will work individually, and you will watch the example video that I'm about to post as soon as I finish doing this in the folder week 3 or 4 called example of speaking task number 1 in Sikua. According to that example, you will write down a short transcript of what you want to say in your video. You will write down 10 sentences in total, 5 sentences about what do I do to help my brain work better, and 5 sentences about facts about my brain and body. In these sentences, you must use the conditional with the present. When I do this, nya nya nya, I can do this, and the conditional with the future. If I do nya nya nya, I will nya nya nya. You will use both affirmative and negative sentences. Some examples. And here also you will use infinitives, no? I try not to eat too much junk food daily. Or when I do some exercise daily, I feel better. If I study hard for my exams, I will get excellent results. You need to make a 3 PowerPoint slides presentation in total. 3, okay? The PowerPoint should include your sentences, 5 for what do I do, and 5 sentences for facts about my brain. You need to choose which sentences you are going to include. They must have attention-grabbing visuals. I'm talking about the slides, okay? Attention-grabbing visuals and the sentences only. You can use these websites to find images online, Pixabay or flaticon.com. Second part of the instructions. Make sure your PowerPoints have correct sentences, orthography, syntax, order, punctuation, all of that. watch this video again to remember the instructions on how to record your final video with Voicethread in Sikua. So you will have to videotape yourselves, according to these instructions in here, while saying the sentences about what do I do and facts about my brain. You mustn't, I'm reading it here right now because it's a long text, but in your case, for the final version, you mustn't read the script and you need to look spontaneous, like me, spontaneous. And in addition, you need to talk with a balanced time. The video should be maximum 2 to 3 minutes long and include the 3 slides in total. So you have to look natural, you have to speak very loud, like no, okay? You can start working, as I said at the beginning, on the mini project today. However, you will still have tomorrow's full class hour to do it in case you cannot finish before. By the way, make sure you upload and post your video before the session is over. Okay, before the session is over. The link will be available only tomorrow because it might take some time, because of the internet connection, etc., etc., etc. This will be an important part of your classwork grade for this first part of the bimester. So on Friday, I will give you the grade for this, all of the other grades for the quizzes, the listening activities, and the exam for the first exam. On Friday will be feedback day. And of course, on Thursday, we will continue working with Unit 6, okay? Normal class or regular class. In the following weeks, we will continue as well working on the final speaking project for Module 2 because that is long and that requires a lot more time for you to prepare. Alrighty guys, thank you very much. This is all in the video, and I will see you tomorrow in class. Have a great time. Bye bye.